action.
Okay, hey guys, what is up? My name is SharkFinn XD, and I made a new Transformer. We named it Engine Fury.
What if we don't have music? It'll help out. No.
I guess. Okay. There. Or you can put these up. Doesn't matter. Okay, so these are the pieces you're gonna need, but first, I want to introduce you to my friend who just came over.
Hello.
What's his name?
My name is
Jace.
Chase.
Jace.
This is my first time being in a video, so.
Yeah.
You're gonna be pretty famous. That's for sure. All right, back to the pieces.
Okay, you want a 2x6 plate,
Wait, let me introduce the pieces.
right?
All right.
2x6 plate.
Mhm.
A 1x4 with a 1x2. Solid.
One solid piece. Go ahead.
You want both in the middle, right here. Like this. You want 2 on each side. Okay, so you're gonna want one of these. Then you are gonna want another one of these. I have no clue what they're called.
I would call them like a 2x2 with hooks.
Connect!
Just hold them down here, and that way I can film it. Good.
Once you connect them,
Okay, you want-
Thanos has snapped.
Okay, you want 2 of them. So, same thing on both sides. Okay. Since you got those 2 things, you can put them right here like this. Like this. You want the clips right there. Then the other piece right here. Okay. Then you want to get another clip, a 1x2 clip. You want 2 of them, and you want to put them right here.
Are you making an airplane?
A jet, yes.
Oh.
Can't believe you thought of that. Okay. Then you want 2 of these. You want to put them right here in the middle, a little bit on the chest part.
Oh, and now I see the jet.
Okay. Then we move on to the headpiece.
I'll just wait. Is this part of the headpiece?
No.
Okay, I'll just move that over.
You're gonna want
You can hold them down here, son, so it's on the
You're
table.
gonna want one of these 2 studs, then just a 1x2 with a 1x2 solid. Put that right up here, like this. Then you want a 1x2 flathead. That's what I'm calling it.
I would call
I
that
like it.
a 1x2 flathead, or you could call that a 1x1.
I'm gonna call it
Or
Jimmy.
1x1 flathead.
Jimmy Jam.
I mean.
That's a 1 by Jimmy Jam.
Oh gosh.
We got some dad humor in here.
You're gonna want like one of these airplane things. I have no idea.
Oh,
what
an
they're called.
airplane. Like you would call that like a wing, I guess, because yeah.
Then you want to put it right here in the middle, or you want to put that dot or hole right in the middle, right like that. So this way it can spin around. Oops. Like that. Okay, then you put the face right here like this, the black piece.
Batman colors.
Yeah. In the eyes. You can do any color you want though, it doesn't really matter. So there you got the start of the wings. in the chest.
Now,
Okay, so Jace is gonna be doing one part of the leg arm, and I'm gonna be doing the other part of the arm.
so I'm just gonna copy what he's doing.
Yeah,
because
just you want it on this side, the left.
I am terrible with Legos, so
Yeah.
he's the master builder.
Okay, so you want to put like a clinger clip thing.
Show him.
You want to put it like this, Jace. Other side.
Up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you want it like this. Then you flip that up. Put a clip at the very top.
Good.
Okay. Can I see it? Okay, so when you got both of those, you connect it right here at the two 1x4 down there like this. Do the same on this side.
Basically at the front or back of your wing.
Yeah, so like this, and then you can flip that up for the arms, and then you got the legs down there. You can modify them though. I
Oh,
made them a little skinny.
It looks like a robot. Or is it a robot?
It's a transformer.
Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, and
So
then I will make the wings after.
Oh, so it's basically so it's like a jet / transformer. I get it now. Yeah.
And we're back.
Yeah. Okay, I made the little one, the other one unclear a little, so I'm gonna make it more clear.
Get out of here. Little brother.
Okay, so you're gonna want one of these loops. It's the same thing as the other pieces we used a lot, just it has 3 parts instead of 1 hole. Okay, then you're gonna want a flathead. Put it on the weird piece.
Wait, is this the right way?
Yeah, doesn't matter which way. Okay, then you get one of these.
A wing piece.
Yes, a wing piece.
And
Then put it right here. You're gonna want the opposite side.
wait, so
like-
wait.
No worries.
Yeah,
Like that.
I was never.
Oh,
good
we
with
should
Legos.
switch. Hold on. Okay, actually no, switch back. Okay, so it should look like this.
Can you twist it around?
Ah, no.
I dropped it.
Okay,
Looks like this wing's not falling anytime soon.
it should look like this.
I'm showing the backside. I'm showing the backside if you guys want to see.
And I will show the front. Then side.
Perfect.
Boom. And
And then you want to attach it to the clips right here. In the middle part. Let me see this one. Actually, you can
I'm
attach
gonna
it.
try to attach.
Oh, nice.
So wait, right here.
Oh, nice.
Then you flip that down like that. And there you go.
Good. That's the, you want to show,
The jet part.
yeah.
Yes. Wait, didn't I already transform?
Let's transform, it's a robot now. Let's transform him back after
Yeah.
he's built.
Oh no.
It's very delicate. Okay, and there we go.
I couldn't have made that in a century.
Me neither, brother. Good job, guys. What's your name?
SharkFinn XD.
What's your name?
Jason, I'm a guest, so bye.